Hello, babies. I've got this book. It's called Press the Button. Let's see if there's a button to press. Is there? Here's a red button. I wonder what happens when you press it. Go press it. See what happens. Beep. What? Here's an orange button. What does the orange button do? Press the button. See what happens. It's a clapping button. Everybody clap. Clap, clap, clap. Can you clap? Clap, clap, clap. What happens when you press the blue button? Beep. It's singing button. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round. Does it know any other songs? Shall we press the green button now? Yeah? Okay. Green button. Boom. And we'll see what happens. It's a raspberry button. How rude. Could you make another noise, please? Excuse me. Say sorry at once. I'm warning you, this is your last chance. Well, if you're going to be like that, we're going to press the yellow button instead. Beep. It's a bouncing button. Everybody bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Help. Press the pink button. We'll be bouncing forever. Oh, beep. Oh, hooray. It's a hug button. Hug time. That's the best button of all. You know what? I think we should stop here. I don't think you want to press the next button, do you? Oh, I love hugs. You do want to press the next button. Are you sure? Are you really sure? Really, really, really sure? All right then. Press the purple button. Beep. Press the purple button. What's going to happen next? It's a tickle button. Tickle attacker. No, stop. Press the pink button quick. Hey, this is hug time. That's better. Hug time. We'll push the button. Hug time. Oh no. It's that rude green button again. Have you learned any manners? No. And the blue button. What shall we sing this time? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. Back to the red button again. Do you remember the noise what it makes? Bloop. Look, it's a new button. What does a white button do? Push the button. Shh. It's a sleeping button. Good night, everyone. Good night, babies. I love you. Bye.